So me and some buddies are about to play the Zombicide board game. Let's see if we can make playing a board game look real action-packed.
Now this is very important, not so much for this mission because it's very linear, but this is important. So let's say that I'm in.
I'd say it was a success. So did you like playing that board game with us? It was pretty cool, huh? I don't know. If you want to see some board game videos, let me know. Also, yeah, I'm in the bathroom.
Alright, so sheesh.
Keep going, bro.
Like so distracted.
The camera loves you.
That's a man who can go.
Okay, so we'll start with this. Players go first, all of us, then the zombies go. We'll start with that. How about that? Okay, everybody good?
I can't take it every time.
Okay. Yeah, that's selfie stuff.
Alright. Yep. You wanna get this?
See, because now I can tell.
You wanna get this?
I got. Oh, dang it. I gotta get that.
Nice, man.
I'm just kidding. I don't know.
Dude, Brown's like this now. You guys' attention.
Okay. You got it? You got it?
Yep.
Oh, you got one success. So
Jumanji!
Oh, I got two. There it is.
Nailed it.
I've never seen that happen in my life.
Inception over here?
It's a token. Right there and open up the door for us.
Open it.
Okay. So let me get all these.
I just want to make more fun.
Juan, you are now in charge of these tokens for later.
Oh no.
You're welcome.